My name is Paul from Appliance Service by Paul in Salt Lake City, Utah, and we're here today to talk about changing the splash guard on your garbage disposal. In the throat of your garbage disposal is what's called a splash guard. This is designed to keep water from splashing back up or the materials you're grinding from popping out of the disposal. On some disposals, after a period of time, these get worn out. So what we want to do is show you how this can be replaced. This is the only piece you can see from the top of the sink. Everything else is below here. This collar mounts to the sink and the disposal attaches to that. In order to replace the splash guard on this model, we need to first use our unjamming wrench or a screwdriver and release the collar. Now at that point, the disposal is going to drop. You may, in your own personal home, find that it's easier to remove the pipe that's attached here. At that point, this will separate and the garbage disposal will go down. You just need enough room to peel this off of the neck. Take your new splash guard and install it. Lift the disposal back up. You can see the runners on here from low to high. You line that up. And then again, using your wrench or your screwdriver, you tighten this back up and lock it. In some cases, you won't want to do what we just demonstrated. You may, if you wish, purchase an accessory splash guard that can simply be inserted into this ring, this groove right here, and simply push that down. This will create a splash guard for you so that you don't have to pull all the disposal all the way down. If you already have this splash guard, the original one, it's in good condition, you can still add these and that'll make your disposal quieter. My name is Paul with Appliance Service by Paul, and we just talked about replacing the splash guard on your garbage disposal.